Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. And this is our evening time, drive time update, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully you guys have had a great evening, great afternoon, and good morning to all my friends in North America, guys. Wakey, rise and shine, start your day, guys. It's an amazing day. We got a whole bunch to talk about, guys. We got the CPI data coming out in literally moments, guys. You know, and they're forecasting that the CPI data could be coming out and inflation could be coming as high as 7.1. Last month we saw that, inflation was 6.8. And so let's see and wait how that's going to pan out for all of us. And hopefully we'll see some positive news and we'll see the inflation data and the consumer price index coming down, because that would be huge catalyst and that could help also send markets higher and higher, guys. So let's jump into content, and we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some huge catalysts for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu that really tells me that this is just the beginning, and we're going to see a whole upside coming soon. And guys and gals, we've got a huge short squeeze coming for Bitcoin coming soon, so that is huge. And guys and gals, don't forget to go down there and smash the like, subscribe, and give a super chat, guys. And I just want to give a big shout out to some new members in the house. We got Johnny Retro in the house. Johnny Retro. We got Deanna Tran in the house. John Cook, Aneli Villegas, and Jamie365, guys. And also, I've got some minty fresh subscribers. We got Spartans. We got Tamiz. We got Brian. We got Jiwan Lama and Darnell Robinson in the house, guys. We got Amanda Singer and Aaron Ronaldo in the house, guys. So God bless all of you, and thanks for being members. Don't forget to go down, smash the likes, subscribe, show some love by making a beautiful comment. We really appreciate it. Let's take a look at the U.S. pre-markets, because the markets are not open right now, and things are looking minty fresh. I see lots of green everywhere, guys. And it looks like the Dow is up, the S&P is up, the Nasdaq is up, guys. Things are looking really good, guys. It's really great to have a huge Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is over $43,300 at time recording. And we're seeing that Ethereum is up 6%. We're seeing the whole markets, ladies and gentlemen, going uppity up. So this is a great time to be alive. And we're seeing that exactly as I predicted. I told you this was going to happen, that between January 9th and 18th, we're going to start to see the breakout. And the breakout is happening exactly as the OG called it, guys. So I did get it right, 100% on the money. And we're seeing right now that some news is coming out. We're seeing that Bitcoin could rise to $75,000 to top record high, bank CEO says. So we got the Serba Bank of CEO Giodo Buhila in the house, said that the firm's model sees Bitcoin rising between $50,000 and $75,000 in 2022. I believe that these predictions are a little bit bearish. I think that we could see all-time highs coming in sooner than later. What do you guys think? Smash the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. You really want to comment, guys? Tell me what you think. And I'm pretty bullish about overall where we're seeing Bitcoin going. And we see that, right now, we see that the CPI data right now, we're seeing that the forecast right now is 7. And last month we were 6.8. And I really believe that we're going to see CPI probably coming in around about 7.1, 7.2. So it's going to be pretty close to the forecast. So let's see how that pans out, guys. Let's absolutely see how that pans out in the house. Retail is pushing the Bitcoin price up, says Ledger CEO. So cryptocurrency hardware wallet provider Ledger reckons it's more people trusting Bitcoin that is pushing up the price. So Glassnode confirms this suspicion. And as crypto has been recovering from the slump last week, we're seeing that the number of addresses with the minimum number of BTC is actually growing compared to the number of whales out there. So we're seeing that right now, a lot of the data is supporting that the number of addresses are growing, and the number of non-zero balance addresses has growing, topping out just short of 40 million. So that means that, that when we have the minnows who are buying up the crypto, this just goes to show that the retail investors are jumping on back, coming in back to the space, and we're seeing that the sentiment overall is looking pretty good. Coinbase has just announced that they're going to be giving their staff 1 week off per quarter to kind of recharge their battery, because they're saying the crypto's a jungle and cryptocurrency is a high high stress environment. So they want to keep people focused and keep people on pace, and and give them some time to recharge. So that's really good. We saw also Cash App is integrating Lightning Network. We're seeing that Argentina is also going to be implementing the Lightning Network, and Argentina and Brazil could be the first countries to be having, not the first, but after El Salvador, the first countries that could be eyeing Bitcoin for legal tender. So that is very bullish in the house. Keep watching, guys. We got some Dogecoin sentiment. Looks like the sentiment for Dogecoin is going up, guys. It looks like Shiba Inu is also looking pretty good. So things are looking uppity up, guys, guys and gals. And I'm looking pretty. I'm feeling pretty happy that things are going up. How are you feeling out there in YouTube land? So hopefully you guys are feeling pretty positive out there. And he's just in a third of all Americans to buy Bitcoin by the end of 2022, says Rick Elderman in the house. The future's bright for Bitcoin, according to Rick Elderman, founder of financial advisory outfit Elderman Financial Engines. Elderman Financial Engines, that sounds important. So we're already a quarter of that number, with 24% of Americans owning Bitcoin. It wouldn't be that much of a stretch for one to get 1/3 more. So it looks like more and more Americans, and not only Americans, but we're seeing that more and more people across the planet Earth are aping into Bitcoin like never before. And that's why the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, believes that we're going to be seeing crypto explode in 2022, and we're going to see crypto defy the odds. This four-year cycle has been extended. The OG has decided to extend that cycle, and that means it's going to happen because the OG just said it happened. So take that to the bank. Woo! You know it. I know it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to show some love and support the channel with a like. Gingerly go down there and like this channel, and just hit that like bop. It's so easy to like the channel, and it helps, guys. Get the message out there. Absolutely get the message out there. We're also seeing right now that Ethereum, with a short-term optimism return to crypto market, Bitcoin experienced yesterday the largest exchange outflows over a month. So we're seeing a lot of, outflows from exchanges. So this is really bullish news in the house. And this just goes to show that more and more people, more institutions, more retailers, more you and I are buying a Bitcoin. And this is going to send the price higher and higher. And we're seeing, and I believe that we got this huge, and I talked about it in a previous video, we got this death cross coming very soon. We could be seeing that coming tomorrow or the day after. And you know what I mean? A lot of people, a lot of retailers who don't really understand this business, the newbies out there, what they're doing is they're going to take short positions. They're going to bet that Bitcoin is going to go down, down. But that's not going to happen because the exchanges, the market makers are not going to allow that to happen. And that's going to create a huge short squeeze. I can feel the squeezing going on. And when that happens, you're going to see that they're going to have to buy back their positions or are going to take huge losses. And if that happens, that means we're going to see a cascading price pump to the upside to Bitcoin, and we could see $45,000 to $50,000 coming in shortly. And I believe by January 18th, we're going to get pretty close, gingerly close to $48,000 to $50,000 in the house. What do you guys think about that? Do you think that is cool? I think it is cool. I think it's absolutely cool. Bitcoin exchange outflows sees the biggest daily spike since September 2021. Almost 30,000 Bitcoins have left exchanges in a single day as buyers copy miners in taking BT supply off the market, guys. So this is also huge that miner behavior has changed. Bitcoin miners are not dumping their Bitcoins. They're holding their Bitcoins. And not only that, some Bitcoin miners are taking loans against their Bitcoins and using Bitcoin as collateral to actually buy more ASIC mining machines. And Jack Dorsey, he's about to jump into the mining business too, and he's developing a ASIC miner microchip. And it looks like we could have some huge competition from Jack Dorsey of the block coming in, and he could be jumping into mining. So we're seeing right now that the total exchange, Bitcoin exchange net flow has gone down, guys. It's big red spike ka-chunk there. And that means that more and more Bitcoin is coming off exchanges. And right now we have almost 77% of all Bitcoin on planet Earth that is currently available being held off exchanges. So that means that the scarcity, the rarity is increasing, and that means we're going to get the bump, we're going to get the pump, and we're going to get the run to the upside for Bitcoin and Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, and it's going to be huge. You guys are going to have to buckle up because crypto markets are still going to go wild in 2022. We've had 2 weeks, actually 2 weeks of Debbie Downerness for Bitcoin. We saw those huge weekly green candles, guys, and you know what I'm talking about. These huge weekly red candles, and now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is trading at $43,392, and we're going to get a green candle this week. I can feel it in my bones that we're going to get a huge green candle. And as I said before, we can see Bitcoin right now is on the Binance. The Binance for 1 day chart is trading at an amazing $43,395. Can we see Bitcoin today get to 45,000? Maybe not today, but definitely by Friday when we see that short squeeze coming in, and we're going to see the Bitcoin price going to go up because a lot of the retail investors, they're looking at this. They're absolutely looking at this, this death cross in the house, and they think that Bitcoin is going to go down. Sure, from time to time we do see that Bitcoin does go down, but every time we see this indicator, it does not confirm every single time that Bitcoin goes down. It's only around about 45% of the time does Bitcoin go down, but most of the time it does go up. But a lot of the retailers, they don't know that, and what they do is they think that they're going to hit the jackpot. They're going to put in a short position, bet against the biddy, my little baby Bitcoin. And you know what? The exchanges and the market makers, they're not going to let it happen because it's not going to happen, and we're going to see the biddy going up like never before. So as I said, we're seeing more and more exchange flow off exchanges, and Bitcoin is becoming scarce out there. And this is coming in right now. So right now you can see that we could be seeing that right now the trend will start again over one start buy with the market price. So we're seeing that I believe we have hit the bottom. The bottom has come in, and now the reversal is coming in, and that's why we're seeing right now that all the markets are starting to pump. And if you look at a heat map in the house, we're still seeing that we could be hitting 4% on the upside for the biddy, and the Ethereum and everything is looking very good, guys. So hopefully we can keep this momentum, and nothing will stop the cryptocurrency, the crypto revolution, your financial freedom from going to the moon. So hopefully you guys are feeling it. And it looks like also, if you look at analyzing Ethereum in the house, looks like the trade side indicator buying activity for Ethereum has accelerated significantly in the house over the past 90 minutes, coinciding with the price of Ethereum reaching over $3,300 in the house. So that is looking pretty bullish. And we're seeing right now that Ethereum right now is trading at $3,349, and that's looking pretty good. So it looks like we could have a reversal coming in right now. Let's just adjust this. So, we kind of have this descending triangle here. We did break out here, and we got rejected and came back down. But a lot of that was driven by the Bitcoin price volatility. But that volatility is over, and we're seeing that thing is starting to go uppity, up, and I'm feeling the good vibe. Let's take a look at Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin is showing some signs of life out there. There's life in Dogecoin land, and if you love the Doge is love, and love is Doge, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house, and don't forget to give a super chat if you love this channel. Like I love you guys, love the peeps, love the community. This is one of the best communities in the whole interwebs, and you guys subscribe if this is the first time for you to watch. And we're seeing that right now 52% of all Dogecoin holders like me and you out there are in the money, and 2% are breaking even, and only 45% are out of money, guys. So I really believe that Doge is looking pretty good right now, and Doge has broken past a 15-cent resistance line, and it's now become a huge huge support line. And can we chase the 18 cents? Can we get up there? It all depends right now on a couple of things. One, if we see Bitcoin start to make some moves to the upside, we're going to definitely see that Dogecoin will do that. And reason I say that is because if we look at the correlation between Bitcoin and Dogecoin right now, we're seeing a 0.91% correlation, almost a one-to-one correlation, not exactly, but close enough to make me shake in my bones, shake in my feet. So guys and gals, we could be seeing 18 cents coming in soon. All we need is for that old Bitcoin to get going, and then we need some catalyst, maybe a tweet from Elon Musk. But remember, if it's just a singular entity, singular tweet from Elon Musk, that's not going to do it, because it's just going to bounce to the upside like we did here and then come back down. What we need is a series of positive catalysts, maybe something from the devs, maybe something from Elon, and then also for the Bitcoin to pump. Do you think that we're going to see in Q2 of this year the Robinhood wallets go live, and then at that time we'll see Elon Musk and Tesla announce that you can buy a whole Tesla car with Dogecoin? Right now you can buy the merch with Dogecoin on Tesla, but I don't want the merch. I want to be able to buy the whole kit and caboodle, and that is, I want to be able to buy the doors, the cars, the wheels, the whole Tesla, and that's what I want to use my Dogecoin for, because I'm holding my Doge to buy myself a Tesla. Ooh! Let's get it, guys. This is Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys, and we're seeing that right now the social sentiment out there is looking pretty good. In the last 5 hours, we're seeing that the sentiment is outpacing the price, and this is often a good indicator that we could see some bullish movements for the Doji. If you love the Doge like I love the Doge, smash that likes, guys. Let me just give this a quick minty refresh and make sure we got the right prices for you out there right now. Here comes the Doge. Here comes the Shiba Inu. Woo! Let's get it, guys. And we're seeing right now that Shiba Inu, if you look at the Into the Block informatics right now, we're seeing that 50% of all the Shiba Weebies out there are in the profit. 35% are out, and we're seeing that there is a high degree of correlation between Bitcoin movement and Shiba Inu. So that's why we're seeing right now, that is why we're seeing that the Shiba Inu is making some positive moves. We have this triangle here. We have this huge buy indicator. And also, look, guys, this pattern has just formed for Shiba Inu. And right now we have this W pattern right here, guys. Can you see it? Right there. I can see it. And if we look at the neckline right here, the neckline is approximately right there. Let me draw that neckline right there. That's the neckline of this W pattern. And if we measure the top to the bottom of this neckline, and from the point of breakout, which is right here, can you see it? Can you feel it? We should see ourselves breaking out to the upside. And that will take us all the way up to around about this level, which is going to be 32.65. Now, I have some resistance at 33, so I believe we're going to break past this resistance very shortly at 30. What do you guys think? Do you like that? Do you think that's going to happen? Huge W pattern have formed for the Shiba Inu, and that is cool beans in the house, guys. Let's take a look at Ethereum. We already looked at that, but let's just repeat. Ethereum is looking pretty strong, looking pretty bold. Let's take a look at Phantom in the house. Ooh, yeah. Phantom is about to break out and hit $3 in the house, guys. So right now, Phantom is at $2.84, and Phantom is absolutely doing fantastical in the house. And let's draw a resistance line at $3, and let's make it happen, guys. Let's absolutely make that happen right now in the house. So let's see if Phantom can get past my red line. I think we're going to do it. We're going to do it, guys. Life is like a box of chocolates. You don't know what you get till you bite into it. So we're seeing right now that exactly as the OG Ric Flair of crypto predicted, is that Chainlink went down and hit our confluence level right here. Let me just increase that so you can see. So we had this huge confluence level here, right here, guys. I told you about it, and it looks like we're also forming this beautiful W pattern right here. Bing, bada, bing. And we're going up, guys. We're definitely going up, and we have hit this confluence pattern in the house, the support here, and also here, and we are trading right here, and we're going to go on up to the upside, and it looks like Chainlink is at 26.65, so things are looking peachy keen, pretty looking good right now. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Where's the portfolio? Where's my portfolio? I'm seeing the products. I'm not seeing the portfolio in the house right now. So let's not worry about it. But we're seeing right now that the currency prices, we're seeing the total market is up about 3.8%. So let's just take a look at that in the house and let's get it. And we're seeing right now that the absolute total, the total market cap is up over 5% right now. That's a 2.17 trillion. Let's take a look at the portfolio in the house, guys. Let's do it. So it looks like CoinGecko has just updated the look and feel. So that's why the OG got some confusion going on. I couldn't find my portfolio. So right now, remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. This is just the OG expressing his opinion. And remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So you got to do your own risk management. Don't forget to do that as always. And we're seeing that right now we're up 63.85%. And we're at $3,224 in profit, and total balance at $8,223. So let's take a look at the coins in the house. So we're seeing right now, let me just give this a minute refresh, make sure we're giving you the true information out there. So it looks like we're seeing that Bitcoin is on fire right now. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is up 4.42% and it's at 43,695. Yes, we're seeing that Ethereum right now is up 7%, 3,346. So things are coming back, guys. We're seeing, and gals, we're seeing that BNB is at $475. That's up 5%. We're seeing right now that Solana is coming on back. It's up 5.1%, $143 in the house. Yes, and we're seeing that ADA is up 9%, so that's looking pretty good at $1.26. Luna is up almost 10% right now, and that's $79. And DOT is up over 10% to almost 10.5%. It's $26.95. That's looking pretty good. We're seeing Avalanche is up over 10%, $95. Can we see $100 for Avalanche? We're seeing Doji, Woji, my Doge, your Doge. Doge is love and love is Doge is at 15,788.85. And that's up 3.24%. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is up 8.97%. So that's looking good. Matic is up, guys and gals. So we're seeing a lot of beautiful stuff, a lot of green. Look at Phantom on fire. Dragon, if you're watching this, woo, brother, because it's looking pretty good. And I just want to give a big shout out to Shannon, David Ricine, Dick Casbears, Kate, out there, D in the house, Kevin in the house, Carlos in the house, guys, and all my beautiful subscribers and members. Thank you for watching, guys. Things are looking pretty good. So, guys and gals, don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. Get the latest news, tips, and tricks about anything related to crypto. And just have some fun. If you want to send me a DM, I would appreciate it. Remember, I can't get back to all of you at all the time. Don't forget to go down there, subscribe, and please smash the likes. I'm talking to you out there. I'm talking to you. You're watching this video, so take the time to smash the likes. And if you're watching the video on your TV, take that remote and please smash the likes right now. Do it. And don't forget to go check out the merchy. Get the mug, the love mug. You know you want it, I want it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go and check the Wifey channel. Do it. Show some love over there. So this is the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto. In the house. Let's get it, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless each and every one of you out there. Things are looking very, very good for BTC. Could we see $44,000 coming in tonight? I think we could. So, guys and gals, God bless once again. Don't forget, this is your last chance to smash the likes. Get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. See you soon. Take it care. Take it easy. I love it. You love it. Let's get it.